Now that's fresh mountain grown coffee from the hills of Colombia.
Hello guys, welcome back to Code Santa. Today I thought of explaining a super duper concept. How to find a phone number associated with any Instagram accounts. This video is going to be amazing, so watch till the end. This is going to be a long process, so you must have patience, determination, or whatever you call it. Before diving into this video, thank you so much for your overwhelming response on my previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, it's about how I managed to download images of all the students from my college database using a Python script. I have given the video link in the description. Do check it now. If you are new to this channel, I post videos on programming, hacking, app development, web development, and various other technologies. I will also be discussing about business, entrepreneurship, marketing strategies, investing, how to make money online, etc. If you are fascinated about any of these, do subscribe to Code Santa now. To begin with, you need to know the name of the person whose number you need to find. Also, you need to know which state they belongs to. Let's say you have a crush on someone. We shall name the person A. If they have a last name too, then let it be B. Let's see be their surname. Note down their Instagram username. Now navigate to Instagram login page and click on Get Help with logging in. Now type in the username you noted and click Next. Now click on Send an SMS message. If you can't find it, then it's your bad luck. The person didn't link their phone number. Otherwise, an alert message will pop up. Note the last 2 digits of the phone number. Step 2. Now you have last 2 digits of the phone number. You have to find the first 8 digits. Let's say the last 2 digits is 75. So there are 100 million possibilities, which is too large. If you take a closer look at the problem, you will find that Indian numbers usually starts with 6, 7, 8 or 9. So we can eliminate the numbers that starts from 0 to 5. Now we are left with 40 million possibilities. Still, it's not even close. Step 3. If you Google phone number details, you will get numerous results. You can choose any websites to work with. I personally tested findandtrace.com. It gives you basic details of any phone numbers you want, such as name of the state the number belongs to, if the number is active or not, the ISP, etc. So with this, we have to write a script that collects the information from this website for all the 40 million numbers. The logic is simple. Let's say your crush is from Kerala. Then you need to collect all the numbers whose state is Kerala and the number is active. If you know which ISP is the person using, you can include it in the logic too. If you don't know how to code, don't worry, you can search for similar scripts online. Or if you want me to develop the script, comment below. I will post it as soon as possible. Now, if you have the script ready, you can't run it on your machine, as it will take 2 or 3 days to complete, or sometimes it will take more than that. So, you need to deploy your script on cloud. You can use Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, or Amazon Web Services. Any service you want. For Python programmers, there is something called Python Anywhere. It is a web hosting service to host your Python scripts. You can simply Google to know more about it. So once the script is deployed, it will be completed in about 2 days. We know that There are about 40 million possible numbers ends with 75 throughout India. The population of Kerala is about 35 million. Let's assume out of which 5 million numbers ends with 75. Also, let's say 1 million numbers are active. That is, someone is using it. It is the worst case scenario possible because not all the numbers are sold, right? But still, it's large. Step 4. Again, you need to write a script. This time, we need to shortlist numbers based on names. We know that the person we are looking for is A, B, C. First name, last name and surname respectively. For this, we are going to use the Truecaller API. We need to collect all the numbers whose name contains A, B or C. You can find the documentation of the API online, or you can also use other unofficial APIs available online. Again, once the script is ready, we need to deploy it online. It will take hardly 5 to 6 hours. Once the script is executed completely, you will have the list of all the active phone numbers that ends with 75 in Kerala, whose name contains A, B or C. Let's assume out of 1 million numbers we got, about 25,000 numbers are registered in the name of either A, B or C in the worst case possible. Now, from the 25,000 possibilities, not everyone will be using an Instagram account. Therefore, we need to eliminate all the numbers that don't have an Instagram account. Once again, you have to write a script to collect all the numbers that are registered with Instagram. You can find plenty of scripts online to do this task. Let's say out of 25,000, 3,000 phone numbers has Instagram accounts, considering the popularity of Instagram. Just imagine, we have narrowed down the results from 100 million possibilities to just 3,000. Isn't it great? But I promised you to find the exact number of your crush. This is the final step. Now, we are going to make use of an Instagram feature, Profile Suggestions, from your contacts. I'm sorry guys, we need to write a script again. For this, you need an extra mobile. You have to reset the mobile. Basically, when you export or import any context to your mobile, it is in the form of .vcf files. If you open it in Notepad, you can find the syntax it follows. So, we have to generate a VCF file from the numbers we have shortlisted, that is 3000 numbers, using this syntax. You can also use tools from online. Now import all the 3000 contacts to your mobile. Now create a temporary Instagram account and sync your contacts. Then go through the profile suggestions from your contacts. You will find the person's profile. Now again reset your mobile and import half of the contacts, that is 1500. Create a new temporary Instagram account again. Sync contacts and go through the profile suggestions again. If you find the person's account, again repeat this process with 750 contacts. Otherwise, reset it and add the 1500 contacts that you have deleted before. So basically, we are taking a binary elimination approach. Repeat this process again and again. As I already said, it's a long process. You need to repeat this process 12 to 13 times by deleting half contacts in each steps until you are left with a single number. That is nothing but the number you are looking for. Now you can drop a message to that number. What next? There is a 99% chance that you will be blocked. So if you don't want to get blocked, narrate all the process you have done from the beginning. If you are asked, how did you get my number? If you are lucky enough, it can continue for the efforts you have taken. Also, don't try to misuse this and spoil the motion of this video. I haven't tried it yet personally. It's just my own theory that speaks. And there is a 90% possibilities that you will find the number. Comment down if you will try this or not. If you find this useful, do like this video, subscribe to Code Santa and share this video as much as possible. If this video gets 10,000 likes, I shall upload a series of videos on this topic, explaining how to write scripts in each stage. Happy coding!